Hi again, and welcome to Locker Designer. In this session we'll be looking at creating rooms and placing lockers. Okay, right now we're going to move to the project manager. These are the lockers we defined in our last session when we looked at locker detail drawings. You notice there are no rooms listed, so what we're going to do is go to the room manager and create one. Alright, new room is going to be called 1. Not much imagination there, but it's fast. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start upper left. You can start anywhere on the canvas you want, and that's what we call this, is canvas is this environment. And we're going to say place the wall above the line. We'll make this 210 inches long. Okay, we'll come down 70 inches. Then we'll come over 170. Come down 140, come back in, we'll come in 60 inches, we'll come down 18 inches, which is the depth of our locker, and we'll come back over. Now here what we're going to do is, instead of typing in a dimension, we'll say use the same X location as this end over here. Notice it draws the line to here. Now what we'll do is click above that to indicate we want Y movement, and we'll say same Y location as that door. So here's our room. There are no doors, there are no features. So what we're going to do is put a few doors in. So we'll say add doors, hit submit. We'll make this one a left-hand reverse. We'll make it 30 inches wide, and we'll make it 15 inches from the corner. Alright, we'll put another door on this side. Okay, and we'll make this also 30 inches. We'll make this 15 in from the end, and we'll make this a right-hand reverse. We'll come in from this corner. So there's our two doors. Okay, we'll also put in a wall break in the middle here. We'll say add wall break, which just means an open area. So distance from the corner to the end, we'll make it 100 inches. And we'll make the break size 80 inches. Okay, and we're not going to put any kind of backset in, although we could. What this does is forces the lockers to end a certain distance. You know what we'll make this 14 inches on each side. So there'll be 14 inches of clearance, so the lockers won't get any closer than 14 inches to the break. Click here, there's our break. Okay, so we're ready to place some lockers. So first we'll do the ones around the perimeter, and we'll start here, and we'll say the left condition is an inside corner, the right condition will be no close off. Okay, so that's what's happening here. Corner, no close off, so it will just be an open end. And we'll say we want to go with the single tier as the main locker. Right, we'll hit submit. System draws them in. Again, you notice it keeps it the correct distance from the end. On this one we're going to go with just a no close off on the left, but a close off on the right, which means it's going to go right into the corner. Alright, here we'll click this wall. We'll say with the bottom we have an inside corner situation, and the maximum locker count is 19. We'll make it 15 lockers long, this particular run. See how that looks? Okay, that gives us plenty of clearance for the door. So we'll click on this. Left is no close off, right is going to be an inside corner. Let's submit. Okay, here we'll go with an inside corner on top, and on the bottom we'll try an outside corner extended. Hit submit. It's telling us it's 10 inches too small. We need to put a 10-inch filler in, or we'll change the type, so we'll make an outside, and now we only need a 4-inch filler, which we'll put that at the top. And on this wall, the left is going to be an outside corner extended, the right is going to be an inside corner. We'll hit submit. Now it's saying it's 2 inches too small, so on the right side we're going to put a 2-inch spacer. And so we have this corner condition here. It's been defined for us. And here we'll say at the top there's an inside corner. The bottom is going to remain no close off. And we'll put in 9 lockers in this space. We'll see how that works out. Okay, that may get us a little closer than we want. We can bring that down to 8 and hit submit. Okay, so that we have lockers around the perimeter. So now what we'll do is say we want to put in a couple of back-to-back lockers, and we'll go with vertical. Say OK. We'll use this as our reference point, and we'll be measuring off of that. And we'll say we want 60 inches and 60 inches. And we'll say we want multiple groups. We'll go with 2 vertical locker runs. See how that works out. So 2, and we'll put 40 inches in between in both axes. Actually, since we only have, there's only one column, so that really doesn't work. I mean, it's not necessary. Okay, we'll hit OK. And now we will say the length is entered by dimension. Now remember, the length for this is vertical because they have that orientation. And we'll try going with 100 inches and just see how that works out. Again, it's using the and we can say, okay, we actually can do a few things here to manipulate this. We'll go to the group set first of all, and we'll say we can move this left. We'll go 10 inches here, and say okay. We'll see how that looks. Okay, that's more reasonable. And then we'll tack on 2 more lockers. So we'll make this 120. Hit submit, and 1 more adjustment. Group set. We'll also make this 50. And so here is our room. From here we hit save and exit. And we'll say yes, we do want to print. And this system will make a nice room layout drawing for us, which we will look at in just a moment. Okay, and that drawing took about 40 seconds. And here is the drawing the system gave us. Okay, you'll notice that all of the locker types are designated. It shows the doors, the dimensions of the wall sections, etc. All right. Obviously, this could contain more dimensions. You would let us know what your preferences are. We'd work that in. As far as notes are concerned, we can add those as well. If there is any other nomenclature, legends, you would let us know. We would put this on your title block, just like all the drawings. And the quotations for this, all of these are being tracked. We know how many fillers there are and how large they are. We know how many of each locker type there is. We would make individual drawings of the runs of the lockers as well. So we give you an exhaustive picture of what's going on here, as well as creating an itemized quotation. So we appreciate your time. We hope we can be of assistance to you. Thank you.